feet up here. Meredith, feet up here.
What?
Feet up here.
What if I want my feet on?
You're going to get wet.
They're going to get wet.
No, they won't.
Mom, you're on a water ride. If you didn't want to get wet, you shouldn't have went on.
I know.
Honestly, I'm sorry. I said it. There you go.
It's like your feet are going to get wet down here.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay.
Oh my.
Kristen, move to the side like this because they're going to get wet right there. Look at the water up there, Lucy.
Oh my gosh, is my baby gonna be okay? You guys, we're all gonna be dry in like 10 minutes.
I know. Everyone's like freaking out like this is lava or something.
Am I allowed to ride this if I'm pregnant?
Yes. Didn't somebody flip over on this?
What?
At Six Flags years ago.
Six Flags?
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
They flipped over.
Who flipped over?
In Six Flags, this thing flipped over.
You're telling me that now?
Well,
Oh, man.
Look. An elephant and a crocodile.
oh, I'm so excited.
Where's that one? Yeah, right here?
I know, he's, yep.
Get
Family
the scenery.
vacation.
Yeah.
Look at him, he's like, wave.
On this side.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, cool.
Wait.
I feel like I'm gonna get wet.
I want off.
Oh, okay.
What happened to him?
I'm for sure about you're gonna.
Oh, there it goes.
Woo, Brooklyn, thank you for taking that water.
I want to go.
One for the team.
I easily could.
Oh, yeah.
I guess it is my turn.
Yeah, you should.
Play it. Look at the mountain.
Allison, I get a quick video.
Yeah, she is.
You know what? Let her lose it.
Yep.
Okay, everybody,
Amen.
relax.
Amen.
You're dramatic.
Meredith, you're loud. Quiet.
No, you're like, I'll let her lose her phone. Always shouting stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
You know what? We're going to take.
Look at, there she goes. So dramatic.
No kidding, we're done.
Okay, what's up?
Hey, if she loses it, that's on her. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright.
Here we go.
Well, this is the downhill portion right here.
Kristen, your feet got all wet.
She's acting like I filmed that. Like you're
And another one.
Yay, another for the team.
And she's the one laughing the most.
That's a special spot.
Whoever gets the most wet wins. Here, we're going to get rain.
Oh, Lucy, you got wet too. Good job, girl.
Lucy hates Disney World.
Yeah, look at her. So when she's older, you can be like, hey, Lucy, remember this?
Yeah, I think so.
That's it.
That was fun.
We won again.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That was really fun.
We made it. I'm glad we didn't wait 55 minutes for that.
No.
Oh my god, get out of here. No.
There's my share.
Stop. Stop.
Back it up, back it up.
I can't move.